welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm making a healthy breakfast for the whole entire family. The nanny is gone, so I'm the new nanny now. So the kids are gonna eat healthy because you know what? It's so important to teach the kids healthy habits while they're still young. So I will share with you the ingredients. I'm making healthy pancakes. These pancakes are gluten-free, so thumbs up to that. So let me share the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. You will need some rolled oats. Okay, so I'm going to make oats powder out of these rolled oats. I'm going to blitz them in the food processor and make oat powder. It's very convenient to just make your own oat powder. It's easy, simple. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to use between the margarine or the canola oil to lightly fry the pancakes. And then you need 2 bananas. I have 3 just in case I want to make more. 2 bananas, 2 eggs, baking powder, spray and cook so that the pancake does not stick to the pan, and some cinnamon just for the taste. I am not adding any sugar in these pancakes. I will drizzle some honey over the pancakes once they are ready. So I'll show you that process when I'm plating. I'm also going to add some cranberries, dried cranberries, just to sweeten it up a bit. Of course, this is for the children as well, so I don't want them to completely hate my healthy oats. And for a bit of a crunch, I'm also going to add pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are really great, especially for children. They will get rid of parasites and they're healthy, full of fiber, healthy digestion, and just a little crunch. So I'm not going to add a lot of this because I know they won't like it. So yeah. So first up, let us peel the bananas. Make sure you get overly ripe bananas. It works better, bananas. So I'm just going to put the bananas in the bowl, mash them up quickly. This is just for the garnish later. Mash them up quickly and then let's get started. Oh, I forgot, you also need some milk. This is real milk. You can use almond milk, oat milk, rice milk, coconut milk, any milk that you like. This is just to make sure it's a nice, silky, velvety texture. Okay, let me do this. So now I'm going to blitz these oats. This is a cup of oats because I'm only making enough for, 5 people? 3 children and my mom and I. So this is just a cup of oats and I'm going to blitz it in the food processor. So I've put in the oats into the food processor. I'm making oats powder. Instead of using normal flour, I'm using oat powder, which is gluten free. So I'm just going to blitz it quickly and make the oats flour. Alrighty, that was quick. So you can tell now that it's nice and fine. Okay, so these oats are very easy to make. I'm gonna mix everything in the blender, quick and easy. So now I'm going to add in the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add in the bananas. Two ripe bananas. Make sure that the bananas are really ripe so that it is more sweet. The riper the banana, the sweeter it is. And then I'm going to add just a dash of milk. I'm going to add in more milk. I'm just going to check it out and see how the consistency looks like. You don't want it to be too runny and you don't want it to be too thick. I'm going to add a sprinkle of cinnamon powder, and then 2 eggs. If you like, you can also use vanilla extract, vanilla essence, if you don't like the smell, the taste of eggs. Okay, that's it. I'm going to blitz it for a couple of seconds and then only add the baking powder.
It's a bit
So it looks just right. That's the kind of consistency you want. Not too runny, but not too thick as well. So now I'm going to add in, just going to use that much. The baking powder will help a little bit more. The baking powder will help make the pancake fluffy, and who wants a flat pancake? Definitely not me. So I'm just gonna blitz it a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the cranberries. Add in as much as you like. So this is for the children. I want it to be nice and sweet, but not overly sweet. And then I'm going to add in the pumpkin seeds. Mix it up one more time, just a quick pulse. And we're done. Okay, so the batter is ready. Oh, I need 2 hands for this, but look at it. See those air bubbles? That means it will be nice and fluffy. That is okay. So I have the stove on high for now. This is the pan that I'm using. Try by all means to use a non-stick pan. It will make your life so much easier. Add this non-stick spray. I know it's a non-stick pan, but I just love the extra protection. Decided to use the butter. But I'm not gonna use the whole spoon of butter. Just going to use a little bit, this much. So I only used a little bit of butter. So I've got the stove on high, but I'm going to lower it now. I just want it to get hot. Okay, see, it's already steaming hot. Okay, so the batter looks real good. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. You have to make these pancakes small so that they cook evenly and they cook fast. Okay. Ooh, my bad. My pan looks just about ready. Okay, now you can see the little bubbles. Let me zoom in. So you look for those bubbles. Then you can tell when the other side is golden brown. So I'm going to attempt to flip them in about another minute or so. So when you flip these pancakes, please be gentle because they're not as sturdy as the normal pancakes. So you can't flip them really fast. So you have to be gentle. Oh, flipped. Okay. So I managed to flip them successfully without breaking them. So another 2 minutes on the other side and they should be ready to eat. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Look at that gorgeous pancake. How? Okay, so you have the 3 pancakes that I made. I'm going to drizzle in some honey. Oh, would you look at that? So you may add some whipped cream. Maple syrup is a better choice than honey and normal syrup because of it has less sugar. So just sprinkle, drizzle in the honey, and then I'm going to scoop in some fruits. So these are red and white grapes. I'm going to sprinkle on top. So ladies and gentlemen, and there you have it, healthy pancakes with some fruits. Yum.